Alrighty, so it's February 11th, 2020. I just picked this up today from the post office, the Relay Buddy 12/24, and you've probably already seen the video where I had just replaced my AC compressor relay, which is this black one here. This is the original one that I have inserted in the Relay Buddy, and well, I'll show you that it's going to test bad. So, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 red flashes. All right, so that means terminal 30 not closing to 87A when relay is powered, defective coil, or possible burnt or pitted contacts. Also, check tester voltage. If testing a 24 volt relay, make sure you are connected to a 24 volt source. Okay, since this is a 2003 Ranger, it's a 12 volt system, 3.0 V6. And just briefly here, we're gonna swap the sorry about that. We'll take the brand new Panasonic relay out of here real quick, test it. Alright, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, click only 9 times instead of 10, but as you can see, it's a green light. It's good to go. So I'm happy with this little thing already. I mean, I've only had it in my possession for roughly half an hour, and already it's proven its worth. So, easy way to tell that these things are good or bad. You know what? I'll try one of the other original relays. Oh man, these things are a pain to pull out, that's for sure. So, put that one back in for my AC compressor. Let's see, you're the next victim. Come on out. And we'll test you out. I don't even remember what that slot's for. Yeah, tests good. Huh, I like this thing. That's pretty nifty. I'm going to carry it around and start asking my buddies, hey, you got any electrical problems with your cars? Let's test your relays. I like this. Thumbs up for it. Came out to $62 and some change. Being that they have a place here in Florida, I ended up having to pay state tax when I bought it on eBay. So, let me see. I have the purchase order here somewhere. So, well, this doesn't show how much I paid for it, but that's the let me see, part number ES I192 Relay Buddy 1224. Yeah, it actually got to me in about 2 days, but I had it shipped to the post office where I'm signed up to receive my UPS and FedEx packages because I have a box there, and I had to wait an extra day for them to sort it out. But you know what? I got it now. I'm happy with it so far. Oop, I don't want to put that cover on yet. Let's put this one back. I'd say that this thing is even if you're not mechanically inclined, if you feel that you don't know what it is you're doing, this device is aimed at people like you. Makes it simple for individuals like myself to just quickly diagnose good or bad relays, you know, when you're on a time crunch. So if you didn't see the other video yet, the reason why I bought this was that I found out from another video here on YouTube that, you know, if you're having issues with your air conditioning and it's, excuse me, fully charged with Freon and you know that your compressor's good, there was a guy here that pointed out his relay on his 2002 Ranger, and on mine, as I started to wiggle it around, my compressor started clicking. I hate idiots like that. That is so tasteless. Stupid ricer. Anyway, he pointed out his 2002 Ranger compressor relay, and well, I use that video as a reference, and now that I've got that relay well, actually, you know, I found out before I even got the Relay Buddy. I just went ahead and bought a brand new relay from a place on, or some seller on eBay out of California. The relay is made by Panasonic, made in Japan. I didn't want any Chinese-made relays. I'm tired of replacing Chinese-made parts, and so far it's working great. I can turn my AC on without any delay now. So, and now with that Relay Buddy, being able to quickly test out the relays, man, it's a good thing to have. So I'm glad I bought it, and now from here on out, you know, it's gonna help me diagnose any future issues. It doesn't have to be just with this vehicle. I can help out family members or friends with it too. So, all right, that's the end of my review. And you guys should, if you guys have any problems with your vehicles that you think might be electrically related, check out that Relay Buddy. Some of these newer cars have relays for the transmission too. So if you got an automatic transmission that's always shifting funny, you might want to give it a try. All right, have a good one.